Hello?
Good morning.
Morning, who is this?
Are you the man that wants to marry my friend Victoria?
Oh, she's your friend. Yes, na me.
There is something about her that she's hiding from you.
Wetin be that?
She's a witch.
She say what?
You're a good man and you deserve someone better.
So she's a witch?
Exactly.
Yes, that's perfect.
I don't understand.
Do you know why till now I never marry?
No.
It's because I'm a wizard. And it takes a wizard and a witch to make a beautiful family.
So you're still going to marry her?
See, I don't want her to come here and repent too. Because if she repents, you will find me another witch. Hello? Don't cut. Let me save your number first. Witch finder. Yeah. Number first. Witch finder. Yeah.